Raj Salman.
Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Raj Soman Academy of Excellence, and today in this YouTube masterclass, as I have promised earlier, I'm gonna give you a detailed explanation on what is a YouTube brand account and how is it different from a YouTube personal account. Okay, so let's see the difference between a brand account and a personal account in depth. Okay, so before understanding what is a brand account, let's understand what a personal account is. Okay, and also I will leave the link of the previous video in the description. Kindly go and watch that, only then you will understand what I am telling in this video. Okay, thank you. Now listen, for example, if a email or gmail account one wishes to start a YouTube channel, and he does it by opening a personal account. Remember, a Gmail user 1 opens a personal account. Now, this personal account can only be managed by that particular user, Gmail account 1, and no one else can manage this YouTube personal account. Now, you might ask me, like, why do other people want to manage this personal account? Now let me tell you. For example, if you think your channel might grow up into a big channel in the future, okay, and then you might think like, oh, I alone cannot manage that channel, so I wish if there are some other people who can also manage my account. So that is why people give different roles to different people to manage a single YouTube channel. Hope you got it. Okay, so but if it's a personal account, you can't give any access to other people. Okay, because why? It's a personal account. Okay, the channel entirely belongs to that particular person. How do you expect other people to manage this account, right? Now let's understand a brand account. Okay, now a Gmail user 1 creates a brand account. Okay, it's not a personal account, it's a brand account. And this Gmail user 1 knows that, okay, maybe in the future this channel might grow big, or maybe some other reason also, like if this particular person cannot manage this channel by himself or herself, then he needs some other guys to manage, right? Or if two friends decides to start a single YouTube channel, so there are many cases like that. So Gmail 1 starts a brand account, and this Gmail 1 can give Gmail 2 access to his brand account. Gmail 3 and Gmail 4 also can access. Okay, so Gmail 1 is giving access to Gmail 2, Gmail 3 and Gmail 4. He can do that. Similarly, a brand account can have more than one owner. You must understand that. If Gmail 1 is a owner, Gmail 1 can also make Gmail 2 a owner. If he wishes, he can make him 2. And he can have multiple manager also. For example, he can choose Gmail 3 as a manager for this YouTube channel, for this brand account, or he can even assign Gmail 4 a communication manager. So what the role of a communication manager is to filter out the comments and things like that. So that's the purpose of communication manager. So as you can see, this particular brand account can have different roles, okay. Gmail 1 can access, Gmail 2 can access, Gmail 3 can access, Gmail 4 can access. And you must remember one thing, this particular brand account doesn't have its own login. Okay, if Gmail 1 wants to access brand account, he must access through his login. Similarly, Gmail 2 can access this brand account through his login. Similarly, Gmail 3 and Gmail 4 also are like that. Okay, so brand account doesn't have a separate login. Instead, they, for example, Gmail one, if he wants to access the brand account, he should access it through his Google account. So that's the difference between a personal account and a brand account. Okay, now let's see what is the definition given by Google itself. Okay, now let's see. Now, a brand account is an account that is specifically designed for a brand. You must understand that. Okay, it is specifically designed for a brand. Similarly, the account is different from a personal Google account, as I mentioned earlier. And if it's a brand account, multiple people can manage it from their Google accounts. From whose account? From their account, they can manage it. Okay, and you want to use different name for a YouTube channel. Why should you create a YouTube brand account? If you want to use a different name for your YouTube channel than your Google account, you can use a brand account. Now let me give you a perfect example. For example, this particular channel, okay, now your YouTube channel, this particular channel has a name, YouTube Training Demo. Okay, YouTube Training Demo, and this is a brand account. Okay, this is a brand account. Now let's see the Google account for this particular account. Now as you can see, the Google account has a different name, Sample Channel. So now, and also it has a different profile picture. Now as you can see, a brand account can have a different name, okay, different name, not same as a Google account. That's the difference here. Okay, but in case a personal account, if the particular user, now look, let's take this as an example. Now this channel, which is Kalidas, is a personal account. Okay, it's a personal account, and this personal account cannot have a separate name for a YouTube channel or a separate name for the Google account. Both the Google account and the YouTube channel will have the same name. They cannot have separate name for each. Okay, and also their profile picture. Now let's look at the Google account. As you can see, even the Google account, the name is same. Similarly, the profile picture is also same. Okay, so because this is a personal account, it's not a brand account. So that's the difference between personal account and a brand account. And also, okay, now you want to give other people access to your Google account. So for that, you need to create a brand account. You don't want viewers to see your name and email address. This is also very important. It gives an extra layer of protection to your Google account. You know, people who are visiting your YouTube brand account, they might not know who's the actual owner. They don't get any sort of details, actual details of that particular Google account. Only they will see the brand account name. Okay, similarly, you want to manage multiple channels from one account. If you are using a brand account, you can create multiple channels at once with a single Google account. You can create any number of channels. Okay, we'll see how to if in case by mistakenly you have started a personal channel and you want to transfer that personal channel into a brand channel, then how do you do that? Okay, I will explain this in my next video. Similarly, how to add more than one users, how to create more than one channel in the same Google account. Thank you. Hope this was helpful to you. Thank you so much.